Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making California chicken bake. What all goes into the California chicken bake? 8 ounces or 2 cups shredded taco blend cheese, 3/4 cup uncooked regular long grain white rice. Mine's actually extra long. I think that'll be okay. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 cup salsa, 1 cup water, and 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves. I split my thick breasts in half. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 12 by 8 pan. I don't think this one is quite a 12 by 8. And spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Reserve 1/2 cup of cheese for later. Dump in the 1.5 cup of remaining cheese in a bowl. Your 3/4 cup of long grain rice, uncooked. Your 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Your 1 cup of salsa. And your 1 cup of water. And mix well. Now you could probably use full breasts that just take longer to cook, and this takes long enough as it is. All right, there you go. Take your rice mixture and put it in the bottom of the prepared pan. And spread that out. Then lay your chicken breast halves on top of the mixture. Then take aluminum foil and cover it up. And stick it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 55 to 65 minutes or until the chicken is fork tender, juices run clear, and rice is tender. So after 60 minutes, we took it out of the oven. The chicken is done, the rice is tender. We'll put the remaining 1/2 cup of the cheese on top of the chicken. We put it back in the oven for an additional 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. So here is the California chicken bake with the rice and the chicken. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's a chicken-shaped piece of cheese.
Well, it's actually chicken, and the taste test is both of them because they was cooked together.
Kind of confused me because there was rice sticking out from under the bottom. I thought, why is there cheese on this rice and not on this rice? But this one it was smoother, so you didn't fool me that time. That's pretty good. Is there going to be enough for my lunch?
Yep.
All right. That's good too.
That is California chicken bake.
Are there chunks of chicken, or this is the chicken that was?
That was a chicken that was cooked with the rice.
It's got a little kick to it, but I bet it's got a good flavor to it though. Like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.